In this video we will learn how to schedule a training request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the training module on top navigation bar. So here you can see training schedule form. Click on the Add Training Schedule button to raise a new request. Select Employee from drop-down. Select Category and Template for training. System will show the links and attachments of template. Enter preferred date and time for training. Select the trainer type and trainer. Enter description. Next, click on a Submit button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.